Leute, willkommen zurück in meinem Kanal. Hallo Leute, willkommen zurück in meinem Kanal. Hallo Leute, willkommen zurück in meinem Kanal. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. German words. 7 German words that sounds alike English and have similar meanings to English. So, the first one is Mutter. Mutter, mother. Second one is father, Vater. Third one is son, Sohn. And the fourth one is Tochter, daughter. And the fifth one is neue, new. And sixth one is alt in Deutsch, old in English. And the seventh one is Nacht, which is night in English. I hope you had fun today. See you on the next video. If you like this kind of videos, make sure to like. Make sure to like that button and make sure to press the subscribe so you can check my videos, my new videos, and that notification bell to notify you on my next video. Seriously, I feel like crazy. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Tschüss.